Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to connect HubSpot to Asana seamlessly so you can automate your workflows and save tons of time. Whether you're managing leads, tasks, or projects, this integration will keep everything organized without switching between apps constantly. Stick around because I'll walk you through the entire process step by step. Preparing your accounts. Before we dive in, make sure you have active accounts on both HubSpot and Asana. You'll need admin access to set up integrations. Once logged in, it's a good idea to identify which workflows or tasks you want to sync so the setup is smooth and targeted. Access HubSpot integrations. In your HubSpot dashboard, head over to the Marketplace icon and select App Marketplace. Here you can search for Asana. Once you find it, click Connect App. HubSpot will prompt you to log into your Asana account if you haven't already, so make sure your credentials are ready, authorize, and configure. After signing in to Asana, HubSpot will ask for permissions to access your projects and tasks. Grant the necessary permissions. Then you'll see configuration options. This is where you decide how HubSpot data maps to Asana tasks. For example, you can automatically create tasks in Asana when a new deal is added in HubSpot, or update tasks when a deal's stage changes. Customize your workflow. Here's the powerful part. HubSpot allows you to fine-tune the integration. You can filter which contacts or deals trigger task creation, assign tasks to specific team members in Asana, and even set deadlines automatically. This ensures your projects stay organized without manual intervention. Test the integration. Before you fully rely on it, test the connection. Add a sample deal in HubSpot and see if a task appears correctly in Asana. Check that all the details, task name, assignee, and due date match your setup. Testing ensures there are no hiccups in real workflows. And that's it. Connecting HubSpot to Asana is that simple, and now your workflows can run more efficiently than ever. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more productivity tips and tutorials. Drop a comment if you have any questions or need help with your setup. I love helping you guys get the most out of your tools.